Hello folks, we're doing Lucky by Radiohead, voted for by all these lovely people over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support. Now for tones, you don't need a lot. We're mainly going to be looking at Tom's parts in this, but I will show you Johnny's stuff too. Aklam sent me over the Dr. Robert, so I thought I'd give this a razz with this, thanks to them. Add a little bit of grit there. There's also like a second channel on this. For Johnny's, go to your favourite kind of gain pedal really. I'm using the 91 with the Boost prototype into it. Johnny has a really cool tone in this. He's basically using a tremolo pedal into an envelope filter. I don't have an envelope filter. If I can get hold of one, I'll do a little video on how to nail that tone. So let's dive right in. There's only like 3 parts, I think, in this for Tom, and they repeat fairly kind of consistently. Don't want to be too prescriptive about what you're playing rhythmically as well, because you really would just want to get the vibe for this one. So we'll just go for the chords for the verse parts first, right? So you're going to do E minor to A minor, G, B minor, little open string there. Then you go E minor, C to G, B minor, and then 2 bars of E minor. Not too crazy, there's a couple of bars of 2-4 in there. So that through would be 3, 4. So, once you get those chords nailed, you could just do a down, 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 up, change, down, down, up, change, down, down, up throughout, okay? So... etc, right? And then 2 bars of E minor. So you get the idea, right? So feel free to skip on if you don't want the detailed rhythmic part, right? So we'll look at the verse. We have... and around again, okay? So let's break that down into parts. You start with... Okay, those are the first 3. So note you're playing the root, then down, down, up. Change. All your fingers come off with all of these chords pretty much. So you're just going to be hitting open strings there. That's the trickiest bit so far. The B chord, B minor chord, and you play... So you've got down, down, and then some arpeggiation. And you play 4-3-2-0. Something along those lines, right? That's pretty cool. Again, I won't worry exactly what I'm playing, but it's down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? the rhythm's almost more important. You can just pick out random notes as you wish, right? C to G to B minor. And around again. Second time, you're going to veer off slightly into the chorus because it comes in off this E minor, but it comes in on the 4 and, okay? So, and then you're into the chorus, okay? So that last part would be, let's go from the C. This helps keep you in time actually, because you do down, 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 up, 1, 2, 3, change, okay? And there's a little suggestion of this. Okay, so you'd play all your fingers off and then into the A. And the chorus goes. And then you play a little C7 to B7. Okay, but rhythmically, you're going to play 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 off, change. So 3, 4. And that turnaround is what we played to go into it, right? So that's down, 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 up, down, 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 change, okay? Now the second and third times, subtle difference. You add in another 8th note. So you play 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last bar of E minor just goes just down, 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 up, down, 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 and then. So if you've got a little bit of dirt on, like for, you know, for that main part. You know, for all that stuff, the last part you'd take it off for this. So that's clean, okay? I'll show you Johnny's lead parts towards the end. So if you want Johnny's parts, just zip to the end, right? Then you've got this little turnaround part. It's just 4 bars on the E minor. But you're going to play. And then you're into the next verse. So that's just down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the second bar, you go, you put your first finger on the first fret there and play the second fret on the next string. Like that. So you got. Like that. Back into the verse. So verse 2 then is pretty much the same as before, but I will run through it because the dynamics come up with a lot more strumming. So you'd have. And then from here you get more strumming. So, and then it really picks up for the second half of the verse, and you're going to start playing. So it's down, 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 up, and then change. Down, 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 up, right? Play that through to the B minor. B minor, you just do. So you go down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, off, change. And then. Doesn't really matter, you could just do, you know, what I showed you before, but this is what I hear. So we have C to G to B minor again. And then into the chorus again. That transition goes down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And then all your fingers off and you play down, up, change into the chorus. So, and again, this time you straight in with the 8th note. So it's. Then there's a kind of middle 8 part coming out of. This is lovely, by the way. You play. You could do that. There's a bit of technicality to this. Thumb over the E string to mute that when you're not playing that. You've got your 3rd finger on the 9th fret. That is muting the D string. G is open, and then 7th fret on the B. And you're just going to move those down 2 frets at a time, right? It's essentially an octave. That's the same note. But you play open E, and there's a little whack in between. If you want to get those, you really need to lightly abandon this, right? And do that in between. So and around again, okay? You don't have to, but that's what I hear Tom doing. So you have open string, down, up, down, okay? So you could do open E, and then down, up, down, 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 and then you play the 2nd fret. Again, 2nd finger's muting the A string. And aim for the G string. You're going to alternate between, you know, between those strings. If you don't want to bother with those percussive bits, you know, you could just deal with potentially hitting that G string if you want. Not a biggie, but 4 times round of that, which is lovely. I'll do it slowly. And then 2 bars of E minor back into the chorus, which is. But this time you don't leave it hang over into the next bar, you play. And then into the E minor. When you come to the E minor bit, there's a subtle difference too. You play. turned again, okay? So that would be slowly. Etc. Okay, so you know the bar of A, that's easy enough. E minor, down, 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 up. I use my second finger, already muting the A string there, and you're going to catch the D too. And slide. You do that twice with that little, you know, and then you're into one more time. And that's the end of the song, right? Quick look at Johnny's parts. He's got that chord running out, which is 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, with the tremolo stuff. And you're going to play 3, 4. That's the first part. Little half step bend. And then little staccato. We'll fill into the next one. And then you've got a little bend and release there. So we have the second time. And then, so it's already bent up. A little bend and release to walk down. Here you do a pre-bend, 2 steps. Into that part. Okay, so that last part is just. Just leave that carrying on. So it's just a little half step bend on the 14th fret on the E. And that, folks, is it. I hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers.